Hi wonderful people, so today I am going to be doing a haul video from Louis Vuitton, and I'm really excited because it's going to be my first haul video that I'm posting on this channel that's actually like all luxury things from Louis Vuitton. So if you're interested, definitely keep on watching. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name's Derek. I do all things luxury related here on this channel, so if you like that kind of content, definitely please subscribe to this channel and also press the notification button and also press the like button, because if you press one thing, might as well press the other because they're all kind of close to each other. I'm excited, so I'm just going to show you one thing that I already kind of opened and used, but it's something that I bought and I love, and it's these Chelsea boots. I don't know what they're called, I already kind of wore them, so that's why I'm not like unboxing them, but they're pretty much like just Chelsea boots. They're very like super plain looking. I literally could have bought in them from anywhere. The only place, yeah, there is absolutely no like Louis Vuitton logos anywhere except like this little tab that says Louis Vuitton on the back, but it's very like non-noticeable. So I got these just because they look really like cool and like very like sleek looking if you're like wearing an all black outfit. I wore them a few times already and like the sole's like kind of dirty looking, so I love them, and they're already like creased in the front, so it kind of gives it like its own little personality already, besides it looking new. But I swear I literally bought them like a week or two ago and I've already worn them and like creased them already. So since I already kind of showed you one shoe, I want to show you another shoe which I'm so excited about. So here is one of the bags, and these are shoes that I already kind of have, but like I finally finished getting all three of them, and it's like a shoe that you guys already seen before, but it's just in a different color. But I'm excited for these because it's literally something that I've been wanting for a really long time. Again, comes in like this huge box, still has like the ribbon, and the fact that I'm doing like multiple like Louis Vuitton items is like mind-blowing, because I wouldn't have thought that I would ever buy this many items and like do a whole haul video for you guys. So I'm really excited about that. I just took the ribbon off, and then the shoes are like in the felt, and then this is what the shoe looks like. But pretty much it has like these little floral designs at the bottom, and this one is like silver hardware, and it has like this silver chain, and then it has like this pointy kind of toe right there, and it's like suede, and then it has leather on the sides, and pretty much it's like suede and leather throughout the shoe, and then like the sole's kind of like a rubber kind of material. I'm not sure how well this is going to be in the snow because the bottom has like no like friction at all for snow, so I don't know if I'm gonna be busting like my butt and having a moment falling down in these shoes, but I definitely love them and they're just super cool, and I just love the chain. It's like really extra looking, but I like it. So then the next thing comes in a smaller bag. Yes, a smaller bag, and pretty much, and then like the receipts in here, and you guys can see the receipts, that's in there. It's something that's really random, and the next two things actually are pretty random because it's just random, and it's like the worst time to buy these things, but it's like whatever. But I'm just gonna open this one for you guys and show you guys what it is. Ribbon, and then opening it. For this item, it is a passport holder. It has 3 slots right there, like 3 card slots right there, 1, 2, 3, and it's pretty much a plain monogram. But then the next thing I'm really excited about, just because it's something that's really random, wasn't even thinking about, wasn't even on my wish list. Like literally, when I saw it, I was just like, I need it, I want it, so I got it, you know? So this item's really random, and it's random because we're in a panorama right now.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And, you know, we've been in it for more than a year, if you guys catch my drift. So, I'm just gonna show you guys. It comes in this big box. Yeah, it's a huge box, obviously, and it has a ribbon on it, so we're just gonna... I know that it doesn't have like a dust bag. I was totally aware that it doesn't have a dust bag, but it's totally fine. So yeah, so I'm just going to open this because this item is super huge, and well, it's not that huge, like the box is just really huge. Yeah, so I'm just gonna open it, and I don't even know how to open it properly without even like dropping it. Okay. I hate these like luggage boxes just because you guys can already see it. But I hate these luggage boxes just because it doesn't keep its shape. It just wants to like fall and collapse. It literally just hit one of my legs. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Throw the box on the floor. And what I have to show you guys, it is a Horizon duffel bag 55. I know it's like the randomest item that I could have gotten at Louis Vuitton, but I again got it just because it was not even on my radar, but I saw it and I wanted it, and I was just like, I need it. Even though I can't like do any traveling for like the next 5-10 years because of like the parabola, and you know, so it's pretty much the size 55 if you do get a keep ball, but then it's just the horizon in the back, which is like more hard-sided, but then in the front it's just soft and squishy. And then, which is the reason why it doesn't like have any shape going on. It did have some stuffing in it, which I already kind of took out. Yeah, so I'm just really excited about this item. And pretty much I can do, if I can open this, I can like just hold it or like kind of pop this out and then just drag it along, or if I don't want to do that, which I probably will, I can always carry it like a duffel. But it also has like wheels as well, and then it has like the luggage tag and all of that stuff. So I know that this is really random. The last two things were really random just because like, where am I going? I'm going nowhere because we can travel in like the longest time, and I mean we can travel, but like honestly, who's gonna like in their right mind's gonna be traveling during this parabola right now? So yeah, so that was pretty much my haul video from Louis Vuitton, my first ever Louis Vuitton haul video, and I'm really excited, and hopefully you guys are so new by watching this video, and have a wonderful day because you're wonderful, and don't forget it. Alright, bye guys.